Hi everybody, welcome to week 29, assignment 1. This is our last assignment in PowerPoint. So therefore it is like your project, your assessment. I am not going to be giving you step by step. It is things that we have learned over the course of the PowerPoint unit. So what you need to do is, if you go to assignment 1, you are to create a PowerPoint. And just so you know, if you have been in my class, if you were in my class before March 1st, then you need to be doing this. If you came into my class after March 1st, there is another assignment for you in the folder. So what you need to be doing is you are going to create, it says the purpose of this PowerPoint is to give students tips on making interesting presentations using PowerPoint. So it has to be at least 6 slides. There should be an intro slide. So I want one slide to say presentation tips by, you can make it pretty, you can do whatever you want to do. There should be 5 more with only one tip on each slide. So I don't want you to put all 5 on one or whatever. So there will be 6 slides. You need to use the slide designer. Once you have put the information that you want on there, you have to use the slide designer. There should be at least 2 fonts and 2 colors. At least 2 pictures, icons, whatever on each slide. There should be at least 1 animation. Remember, the difference between an animation and a transition is an animation happens while it's on the slide, and a transition takes me from slide to slide. So you have to have at least 1. If you go back and you remember the smoking acronym that we did, there was, we had 1 slide, but there were 15 different animations. I only need 1. If you want to do more than 1, you're more than welcome to. You need to have a transition in between each of the slides. There should be at least 1 shape somewhere on one of the slides. It does not have to be on each slide. So you need to have a slide, a shape. You need to have a link. So you need to take and say, for more information, click here. And you need to take me someplace when you say click here. And then 1 sound or video. If it does not play by itself, that'll be fine for those who are doing it on the online version. For the people who are doing the movie version, please make sure that you say that it plays. Now, this is probably the most important part of this, is that it has to be exported to a movie, and the movie needs to be uploaded in submissions. If you have the online version, there is another video in the folder that says how to upload an online PowerPoint that I found since we have gone through it, but it is the only way I'm going to be able to grade it is if you have the downloaded version, you need to submit the video. If you have the online version, you need to follow this, and you need to, so that you can turn it in. That is how you are going to turn it in. I put in here that you can get information on what makes a good PowerPoint by searching Google. You can put something like what makes a good PowerPoint and come up with 5 good. We've done enough PowerPoints. You've seen enough PowerPoints. You'll know if they're good tips or not. But think of it that you're showing the next generation, the 5th graders, the higher elementary grades. You're trying to give them a heads up on how to make an interesting PowerPoint and not just a whole bunch of words and such like people start out with. So, like I said, there is no step-by-step. This is your assessment. And if you have any problems or questions, you can call me, but I'm not going to help you with technical issues. I'm not telling you you can't go back and watch the videos that we've done, or you can't search it up on Google. You need to solve the problem. So if there are any questions or problems, please let me know. And if not, I look forward to seeing your movies. Oh, and the other thing it says right here, if you upload a PowerPoint file, you will get a 0. I am not even going to play. I'm not downloading them. I'm not looking for them like I have in the past. It has to be a video, a movie. And we did that. And for the online version, there is a new way to do it, and I will show you how to do that. All right, guys, let me know if I can help.